I found it to be absolutely amazing. I must say it is overwhelming in terms of content, but I was quite surprised as to how many AI tools that there are to help you, but how different each one is formulated to be specific to the needs that you're wanting. Like there's one for videos, and there's one that you need to upload information and have content there, and it's a lot of information, but I think it's going to be highly valuable in the classroom, and especially in my assemblies, because I'm going to use it for assemblies.
Ek het al woord gebruik.
She used my word.
Yes, I use that word.
I only know one English word, mind-blowing. Iets wat vir my besonder leersaam was, is die feit dat mens soos comic strips kan gebruik, en veral vir ons wat Afrikaans onderwysers is, moet jy visuele teks skep, en dan is daar verskriklike tekort aan strokiesprente, spotprente ensovoorts, en Andrew het ons geleer hoe ons dit self kan skep met hulp van die AI instrumente, en ek gaan dit definitief probeer volgende keer.